Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I built a water pump using nothing more than an old angle grinder I already had at home. First, I cleaned up the old rusty pump to remove all the dirt stuck on the outside. Then I took the whole thing apart. And continued cleaning the inside of the pump as well. Once everything was cleaned inside and out, I started putting the pump back together. Next, I measured and cut 2 steel square tubes, then welded them together to make a solid base for the pump. Since the original pump shaft was damaged and couldn't be used anymore, I decided to cut it off and make a brand new shaft myself. Watch closely to see how I made this new shaft. And here it is. The new shaft is done. The power from the angle grinder transfers to the pump through 2 rubber dampers, which help the whole setup run smoothly and quietly. Now I'm going to repaint the whole pump so it looks good and is protected from rust. Finally, let's take it out to the pond and see how well it pumps water in real conditions.
Thank you for watching.